into rich men.
This one. What are you? What are you trying to do? That's you.
You're a rich man.
No, you
I'm a
are.
rich man.
You would never judge a broke man.
Hi guys, welcome to Ruth's channel. My name is Karabo and I invaded Ruth's channel today. So thank you for all the day ones, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Yeah, Ruth!
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I think my friend here has already introduced himself. So yeah, this is Garabo from Slate by Carrie. Okay, so Slate by Carrie. Please check out the page on Facebook and Instagram. Order your hairs, bring your hairs for like a revamp, ironing, washing, curling, all of that. Okay,
Yeah.
so yeah, I'm with Carrie here. So we're gonna do the powder challenge. So
Oh
yeah,
my God,
got a
I'm
powder
so
already.
nervous.
You got a powder already.
Okay.
Yeah, so we already poured like powder here, as you guys can see that. So yeah, we're using this one. So yeah, I think without wasting any further time, let's get to it. Are you ready?
I'm not sure. Okay. Okay, I think I should let me put my hair this way. Yeah, my hair.
Okay, guys, here's your first question. Who is more likely to fart in public?
Oh man!
Who's more likely to walk away from an argument?
I feel like that's no. We're not.
I'm just gonna give you.
I wouldn't.
First of all, you fight.
I don't fight.
Well, you talk back.
Yeah, but you also talk back. Girl, come back.
Okay, fine.
We're getting it. We're getting it. Okay.
Who's more likely to cause a dramatic scene in public?
Child.
Who is more likely to kiss on a first date?
Oh my God.
Who is more likely to laugh at a kid when they are stuck and help them afterwards?
Okay, so Ruth will do that. Ruth will do that. Definitely.
Who's more likely to laugh at a serious situation?
I don't what?
Serious situation.
No, Ruth wouldn't.
I wouldn't.
I wouldn't. Oh man.
You're the one who's most likely to do that. No, but
I wouldn't laugh at him. Okay, yeah, I would.
yeah, exactly.
Who eats the most?
You.
It's not that bad.
Who has trust issues between the two of you?
I think you do.
I don't. Okay, I do have trust issues. I do have trust issues, guys.
Who's more likely to approach someone in public and tell them they have a bad breath?
Oh, guys.
Oh my God.
That's you.
Oh man.
I'm so nice.
I'm not mean. Guys, I'm not mean, okay?
But I wouldn't do that.
I wouldn't.
Who's more likely to eat without brushing their teeth?
That's definitely.
Who is more likely to take 2 days without a bath?
Chubby, that's you.
I'll take a day. A day.
But you're most likely to go for 2.
I wouldn't go for 2. Oh man.
That's you. Okay.
Who is more likely to smoke weed between the two of you?
What do you do with me?
Yeah.
Who is more likely to cry? Who's more likely to cry because of a sad movie?
Yeah, that sounds too emotional.
I'm too emotional, guys.
Yeah.
I have like that's why I don't like sad movies and romance.
Oh wow.
I prefer horror.
Who was the first to go to tertiary?
We went at the same time.
Yeah, that's where we met.
Who's more romantic?
She's a queen of romance. I don't do that shit.
Who cooks better between the two of you?
Oh my god. I don't know. I think we both do.
Yeah.
Honestly.
Okay.
Yeah.
Who wears a bigger shoe size?
Oh my god. I wear 6'5".
You 6.
No.
Girl. Sometimes you wear 7. Unless if you really like them a lot.
If it happened that you all have a fight, who's the first to apologize?
Me, this one doesn't apologize. This one doesn't.
Who has the weirdest walk?
Walk.
What's wrong? No, my walk is not weird. My walk is like a
have you seen your, what?
Yeah.
No.
I have a weird walk.
You force a cat to walk?
No, it's a dramatic walk, guys.
Wait.
And it's a really cute walk.
Okay,
But you have the funniest one, Trim. You should see yourself walking. Maggie?
Who runs faster?
Ruth is an athletics.
I don't think you run. Can you
No,
run?
I don't do that.
Yeah.
Who is more likely to be embarrassed in a silly situation?
I suffer from I suffer from anxiety.
Who's the crybaby amongst the two of you?
I
You have
am.
emotions. You cry?
I'm always crying, guys.
You do?
I do cry.
Where?
How about every time? I don't.
I didn't think we had emotions, but now that I
Oh my
know.
god, guys! But you know I have emotions.
You
I
don't.
don't- Dude, when somebody argues, when I have an argument with someone, and then I just feel like, okay, I'm gonna cry, I'm gonna burst in tears.
You never. When?
How? All the time. Don't you remember that time go?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. And that time Letaulo.
Don't actually cry.
I'm a crybaby, guys.
Which one?
Emotions.
Yeah, I do, but I just hide them. That's the thing.
So guys,
Yours.
which one of you hates undies the most?
This
Oh,
one.
guys, no. I wear undies all the time.
Me too.
So none.
Okay, no.
But you always wear awkward without an undie. Sometimes your dresses.
No, I'm depressed not to wear an undie.
Yeah,
if I
but
go to somebody, I love undies. But if I go to somebody's house without an extra one, then I wouldn't have a choice. If I didn't wash it, no, I love undies, guys.
Okay.
Nobody's taking this one for the team, so we move.
Who's the craziest between the two of you?
This
I'm
one.
crazy.
Who reads the most?
This one.
No, but you read as well.
I only read like 2 books on Facebook.
Yeah, but that's reading. What do I do the most?
Exactly.
Whom amongst the two of you will never share their food?
Ruth, what did you guys? Oh my god, Ruth.
Isn't that bad?
Yeah.
What?
You do, guys. Oh my god.
Who uses the phone most?
Ruth is always on her phone. I don't.
What?
Yeah, you're always on your phone.
Maybe a little too much.
Who spends less time at home?
But that's you. What are you trying to do?
Who drinks a lot?
What?
Who drinks a lot?
I don't.
Ruth, you drink a lot.
What? No. You drink a lot.
Listen, you drink a lot and you never get drunk. So
I
you
don't get drunk, but I don't drink a lot.
You do.
Dude, I go months without drinking.
Yeah.
Okay.
Can I drink a lot in terms of quantity, right? Or frequency?
Yeah, in terms of quantity. Both.
Yeah.
Let's say both.
Ruth
But
drinks-
you're lying.
in quantity terms, Ruth.
Dude, I have like a glass.
No.
Like twice a year.
Ruth, come on.
I'm so sorry. Back in the days, yeah, it definitely would be me.
Let's continue, guys.
But no. Wow.
Who sings better?
I'm really horrible at singing, guys. Ruth, what talk?
Show me why.
You're better. Dude, have you heard my voice?
Have you heard mine?
Who overspends?
Ruth does. Guys, Ruth is always spending.
I know.
What?
Yeah.
What do you mean you know?
Always, she's forever spending.
Who is more into rich men?
This one. What are you? What are you trying to do? That's you.
rich man.
No, you
I want
are.
a rich man.
You would never date a broke man.
I have. Oh, guys, I've dated somebody who's broke.
You're like.
I have, guys. Honestly.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. I have, guys. I've dated somebody who's broke. But that was back then.
Okay.
Yeah, now we are focused. Money. Wallet. Yeah.
Who has the most friends?
Ruth does. No.
Okay.
I have like a few friends. Yeah.
Who's
just-
most?
Know people who know me. They're not my friends, but I have like the least friends. Yeah.
Yeah. So who'd most likely leave the house without makeup?
I think that's me.
Who's most likely to approach their crush?
First of all, I don't have the confidence to do that.
I also don't have the confidence. Sometimes you also pressurize me to do that. Under pressure. Pressure.
Who sleeps the most?
I do.
Hey,
Yeah,
child.
I sleep a lot.
Yeah.
Who's
I
more
need my rest.
disorganized?
Ruth! Ruth! You're disorganized. Okay.
Sweetie, have you seen your life? No.
Who's most likely to arrive late for anything?
But you're always late as well.
Nah, it's Scooby.
Yeah, Ruth.
It's
is.
Ruth.
Yeah, Ruth, you
But
take
you
the cup. You take the cup.
Okay.
Yeah. Ruth, I'll tell you I'm done. I'm leaving.
I know. This one is Ruth.
But I'd be busy.
People over Bangal. Oh, wow.
Who's more friendly?
I am. Oh, but.
Where?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Are you serious?
Mm.
Yeah. I'm the friendliest.
When you are mean, Scooby.
Thank you.
What?
Ruth, you have
No,
like a
she's
mean
not
look.
mean.
You have.
I have a mean look.
Yeah.
But
it's
I'm not mean.
And you're not friendly.
I can't approach someone and say hi.
Exactly. So I can. So I'm friendly.
Okay.
Yeah. Guys, I'm friendly. You should say hi when you see me.
But they should say hi to me as well. I mean, I'm nice. I'll say hi back.
Okay, she'll
It's
say
not like
hi
I'll just-
back, guys. She
Yeah.
just has a mean face.
Yeah.
But she's a nice person.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's true.
Who has a tattoo?
Girl! Yeah.
Who's
Car.
Most
Yeah.
likely to wreck a car. Ruth drives fine.
Yeah.
I
So
don't
you
drive. No, where would I? Oh
You
my
would,
God.
John, have you seen yourself trying to reverse a car?
That's really nice.
No.
Do you even know how to drive?
It's like,
Yeah, guys, I do. Oh my God.
okay.
Yeah, let's continue, guys. Who complains the most?
What is
What?
forever complaining? Anything,
But you-
everything.
But you're the one who's a critic, so you always complain.
I only complain when there's something I'm not satisfied with.
And that's all the time.
No.
So we are really hard to please, so you complain all the time.
Oh,
Like so that's nku.
Really? Who's most likely to accidentally kill a person?
That's you to me. I feel like
what? I'm reckless, guys.
I never put my hands. I would never like.
Okay, maybe no.
I escaped
but
really, really difficult
but I-
situations that I didn't even touch anybody.
have I touched? Okay,
Uh-huh.
guys, I'm very short-tempered, so I would
Uh-huh.
definitely, yeah. Okay,
Who
I
likes
would.
taking selfies or who takes most selfies?
Oh, but
I don't. People take pictures of me,
I also
but
don't
not all the time. You're the queen of selfies.
I don't take selfies a lot, guys. Okay, it's just that I don't have a phone. Bring me a phone, guys, and you'll see.
Exactly.
Yeah. Okay.
Who forgets the most?
Hey,
We know.
Emma. Hey, Guys.
We're getting old.
Yes, we are out
Yeah.
of questions.
Oh, that was the last one. At least
This was so short, but I had
Yeah.
fun.
it was such an amazing
I probably look
experience.
like a ghost.
I wonder how I look.
Hi. Maybe I should take a bath. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed.
Yeah.
Phew.
Oh my god.
Yeah, please subscribe and
Give
like this video.
a thumbs up, guys.
a big thumbs up.
Come on. Oh, don't forget to share it to your friends as well. hey?
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you.
Smile, smile, smile. Keep the pose.
Smile, smile.
Oh my god.